Hey, what's up guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix CES 2019. We're here at the Jensen booth looking at their new ALX 68. This is an Alexa inspired radio. What's unique about this, all of the apps like Alexa, Google Maps, these are all embedded into the radio. They're not phone dependent, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to have your phone plugged into it for those apps to work, which is really nice. All you got to do is actually connect to your phone hotspot to this actual radio to have it all work. Another thing that is unique about this radio is that they're actually using the Alexa automotive SDK versus other manufacturers are using the home version. So that's something that is, really separates this unit apart from other Alexa devices that are out there. Of course, it's a doubled-in mechless unit. This is the UI. This button right here gives you, launches actual Alexa. So of course you could drive down the road and tell Alexa to turn off, some of your lights at home, turn them on so you can control home automation and a lot of other stuff. Of course, there's a long list of stuff that you probably know if you use Alexa now, what you can do with it. You can even open your garage as an example. Now, of course, we go back here to the actual UI. You can actually scroll through different sources by swiping. So there's Bluetooth, hands-free, radio, media. Now, of course, if you want to access navigation, you can swipe up. You can swipe down, so there's Google Maps, swipe down, that goes back, or you can go back to your home screen. Now, of course, you can access all your sources through the main menu as well, too. You don't actually have to swipe, so it just depends on, your particular preference. So for more information on the ALX 68, please visit sonicelectronics.com.